T-minus 30 seconds.
28. 25.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go NRO L42.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition of the RD-180 main engine. 1. And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-42 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
Mark 1.
Execute. Currently experience a loss of vehicle telemetry.
You are hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data.
OSM LC. OSM LC.
The Atlas commentator. Mission is proceeding as expected. We are experiencing loss of telemetry in Denver. However, we're receiving clean data at Vandenberg. Engine has just throttled down. Engine operating parameters look good. Body rates are good. Hydraulics look good. And we fired the power valve, activating the RCS system. Vehicle continues to fly normally. Up on bearing jettison. Approximately 15 seconds. Now throttling to a constant 4.6 G. Bearing jet. Disturbances look good. VLFR jettison. Engine is throttling back up to 100%.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T+3 minutes 45 seconds. We've just seen the successful liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-42 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office, and all systems continue to operate nominally.